this one. Oh shit! I broke this phone. Ah! I know. There's a lot of camera comparison between the iPhone 15 Pro Max and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But I promise this is going to be the most detailed you'll see. Besides, I've added another phone. Sorry, not this. This is the Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charging station. We're talking about it a bit later. I mean, this one. I just cracked it. I broke it. I broke the back. You can see this Vivo X100 Pro. Guys, so yeah, please subscribe to my channel. Help me get 100k subscribers. It costs a lot to make such kind of, videos. You never know. Let's get started anyway. Alright, selfie camera! Alright, it's about 1 hour after using all these phones, and seems the iPhone has the least battery. I'm anxious about that, and let's charge a little bit and take a rest. Oh, and speaking of charging, let's talk a little bit more about this Anker MagGo 3-in-1 charging station. I just love this thing. Let's go. Here's what's all included in the box. Ooh. It's quite strong, to be honest. Yes, that's the first thing I tested. Now, let's take a closer look at the design. Since it's 3-in-1, you've got a spot for your Apple Watch, a spot for AirPods, and of course, the biggest spot for magnetically attaching your iPhone. Besides, there's a Type-C charging port and indicator on the side. Basically, that's the design. Lightweight, sleek, compact, and portable are my first impressions of the Anker MagGo. Now, the charging speed test. The thing is a beast. I charged the iPhone 15 Pro Max from 6% to 27% in just 20 minutes. Believe me, this is the fastest wireless charging speed, even with Apple's official 15 watts wireless MagSafe charger. Alright, let me recap why I truly recommend Anker MagGo. First, of course, the Anker brand is reputable, as even giant tech reviewer MKBHD would like to feature in its latest video. Second is the charging speed. It's lightning fast, equivalent to the original Apple MagSafe charger, and also fast charges for the Apple Watch, certified by official Apple. Thirdly, of course, the 3-in-1 charging design. You can charge 3 devices at once, which is so convenient. The best part is it's foldable. Even when you are not using it for charging, it can be a perfect phone stand for you. So if you are interested in Anker MagGo, please check it out. The link is in the description. Now back to the camera comparison. This is the ultra wide for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. 3, 4, 6, 20. I can see that really clearly. And now for the Vivo X100 Pro, 10 times. So this is 10 times, while the other one is 20. Let me know who has the best. Finally, the iPhone 50 Pro Max, 550 and 50. Wow. So who has the maximum best zoom? Let me know. Alright, 4K 60 FPS for the front camera, for the main camera. Now let me on this, like they are in default stabilization. Okay, default stabilization. Let me just walk. Just test it. Whoa. Just test it. Okay. Now I'm gonna switch to Ultra Steady, Super Stabilization, and Sports Mode. Let's just run. Not fast enough. Let me just take the thing off. For another, I'll run super fast. Okay. Super fast. Who has the best stabilization? Okay. Shoot. Movie mode, probably the best features I like on these 3 phones. So let's just test who has the best portrait video, okay? The best cinematic video. Let's go. Alright, 4K 60 FPS for all the phones. Alright, so let's just check out. I will go backlight, front light, test everything, run, walk, okay, to see, you know, who has the best selfie. And to be honest, I guess these 3 phones have the best selfie videos I've seen already, to be honest. Walk super smooth, and woo! Let me roll. Let me run. Run. Okay. Looks a bit weird, right? Alright, I'm gonna do the stabilization test. And this is the backlight. See who handles the selfie best. Okay, selfie is actually very important because nowadays lots of people just use it for live stream or something. Woo! Okay, this backlight extremely difficult, challenging for the phones. Alright, now we switch to the front light. Oh, well, iPhone has such waffle color. I don't know, I have to view this on the screen. Okay, let's just go down. All right, let's go. Let's go. All right, let me know. Let me go against light. And this. Okay, let me know. Just let me know, or let me know if everything is good. Okay, 30, 39, 90 seconds. I probably will take the sound off because they're playing music and probably copyrighted. Okay, so this is the backlight. Let me know who has the best performance. Okay, let me know. Okay, okay, this way. Okay, that's it. All right, 4K 30 FPS. The stabilization, all right. I don't know. Let me run a little bit. So just let me know who has the best stabilization from the screen. I don't know who has the best, but I can tell that iPhone 15 Pro Max is not that stable. Literally, it's not that stable. The best, I guess, is the Samsung S24 Ultra, right? What do you think? But I have to view this on screen, on the computer, on a big monitor, and you guys can decide. Please subscribe. And because today I broke a phone, so it cost a lot for me to make this video. So please subscribe, all right? And I would do, no matter what, I would always do this kind of real life testing for you. Okay, that's it. 4K 30 FPS for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 times, and let's go. 14 times max. Wow, you can see that phone number, the text crystal clear. I can even see the bulb, LED bulb. Now for the iPhone 15 Pro Max, let's zoom. 4.9. I swear to God, I make sure this lens is clean, all right? Though it doesn't look that clean. You can also see the glare around the text and numbers, which is not that great. Vivo X100 Pro, let's go. 2 times, 4 times, 7.3, 10 times. All right, I guess for this battle, the winner is clear, right?